Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make party horns that you can eat. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 12 sugar cones. I just have these little sugar cones I got from Kroger. Then you're going to need some vanilla or white candy coating or almond bark, whatever you want to use. I'm not sure if we're going to use the whole 16 ounces, we'll see. Then you're going to need something to make the end of the party horn. You know how it has the little white thing that you blow in. So what I did was cut up some of these white mystery airheads. I cut them into 3s, and then you know, it looks like this when you cut it. And then I just kind of molded it around this little pops. It's for really making cake pops. And molded it around there until I came up with these. So these will be my tips. You could also use like Tootsie Rolls. Whatever you wanted. Fondant if you want to use that. Or you could even, I think you could just dip them in the white chocolate on the ends after they're all set up. So it's up to you. If you can't find these, don't stress out. Then you need sanding sugar. So I'm going to use all these colors. I've got purple, blue, yellow, silver, gold, and orange. And then you need also a cup that you can pour your white chocolate into after it's melted, that your sugar cone will fit all the way down in, because we have to coat this completely in the white melting chocolate. And then that's when we sprinkle it with the sanding sugar. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to melt about half of my white chocolate in the microwave in a microwavable safe bowl for 30 seconds at a time, and stirring it each time. Alright, my first batch of white chocolate is out of the microwave, and I just did half of it, like I said, so that was 8 ounces. I'm going to pour it into my cup and see if I can actually dip my sugar cones all the way down. Alright, that is definitely not enough, so I have the rest of my white chocolate in the microwave right now, and we're going to just mix these two together and just stir it so it incorporates. Alright, all of my little horns have been dipped in the white chocolate, and immediately you just want to hold them up, let them drip off into the cup, and then immediately add your sprinkles. And as you can see, on some of them I didn't go up high enough, so you need to be sure that you're really getting in there. So my advice is tip your cup sideways and really twist them in there. And don't worry if you get some on your fingers, it's not a big deal. And then you can just add your little pieces to the top here. But I'm going to let these set up before I really take a good look at them. I mean, for the most part, they're really cute. I was only able to get 8 though, not 12. So I would suggest maybe you get 24 ounces of white chocolate or almond bark if you want to do 12. But I think they're really cute. But like I said, let's let them set up and then we'll see what they look like. Alright, all my little party horns are set up. And another thing of advice, if you just want to wait and put the top on until after it's completely dry, you can rework your taffy or whatever you're using, airhead, Tootsie Roll, to go all the way down. So now I am really happy with them. They turned out so cute. And I like how all the different colored sprinkles got on there when they were drying. I'm really happy with this purple one. It looks really cute. So we are going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, nothing wrong. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy New Year!